Hey guys, Natural Prepper. So I know I was gonna do a live today, but unfortunately my computer is still not working very well. So I thought I'd give you a quick update on the garden and the goaties. We're rehoming a couple of our buck goats. So one's gonna be picked up today. And he's got a great home, just like right around the corner. Also rehoming a couple chickens. What, you don't want to go? I know, I haven't finished feeding you guys. Anyway, so I wanted to show you this new garden space. This was a horse corral, and I'm going to make it into a brand new garden because with everything going on, we need to have as much garden space as possible, and this place gets really good sun. So it's right by the round pen. Oh, and this is gonna be right here. It's gonna be a new chicken coop. The geese are gonna be really upset because that's where they're laying their eggs right now. See, eggs. But yeah, we're gonna have a new chicken coop here. And then all this space, which is about 24 by 48 feet of new garden space, minus the chicken coop part here. So I'm really excited to talk to you guys about all the experiments I've been doing this year and tell you how they've turned out, because I think it will help a lot of people. Hi, Foxy. There's my Foxy girl. She's muddy. It is really muddy out here. At least where the horses are. Not all where the horses are, but yeah, it's muddy in certain places. And they tend to roll in it. And Foxy's got Cushing's. That's why she's so hairy. Anyway, this is Lefty. He's sticking around. He's my Nubian buck. He's such a good boy. He's such a good boy. And this is Poncho. We're going to find him a new home because we don't need the two brothers. So, you guys, you're so cute. You're so cute. Okay, anyway. Oh, they'll be sad to break these two up, but I don't need to. There's Adams. I also have some people coming to look at horses this weekend. A couple horses that I'm unable to work with. Sorry if I make you dizzy. But anyway, this will be my third, fourth, fifth garden? Yeah, front backyard. Roost out clear over there, or that way. And yeah, the side of the house. And yeah, I've got lots of gardens, mostly container gardens. Anyway, I have a lot of exciting things to talk about, but I just can't handle it all right now because my computer. But I have lots of seeds starting. I started hundreds of seeds this week because the weather was really crappy. Let's go take a look at the girls. Hi, girls. Hi, girls. Hi, Dina. Hi, Dina. Yeah, such happy goats. Happy goats. Hi, Dina. Are you a happy goat? Are you a happy goat? I don't have treats for you right now, sweet pea. I don't. Want to say hi, YouTubes? Say hi, YouTubes? Do you? Say hi, YouTubes. Say hi, YouTubes. And there's Miss Coco. The face of groovy goaties is Coco Bean. Say hi, Coco Bean. Say hi. He's a good girl. There's Latte, rescue goat, and the new milking goat. Up there is Leche. She's due in May. And then I'll have another milking goat. I don't breed all my goats. I just don't, because I don't believe in overbreeding. So anyway, guys, stay tuned. Watch my community page, and I'll let you know when we get things worked out. Thanks, guys. Bye.